Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic with 4 stars. In today's newspaper of Thursday, it's still Thursday, February the 2nd, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and 1 puzzle is left. That's the Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese they call it Suguru. And this one will be number 5898. Yeah, 5898. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box, always a 1. Then the following question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 1, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Here also 1 and a 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Then the following question, triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Here I see a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and 4. Well, I do not know in which order, so I need to wait. Insufficient information, okay. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Oh, I overlooked this quadra box. Here we have a quadra box. Here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Okay. So do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. Alright, then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case it's the 1 or a 2. And also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. 1 T shape, I believe. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Here we have an S. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z shape. Well, this is the S shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see the S shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case it's a 1 or a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. But also that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Yeah. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more L shape here? Rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Or that shape here. Let me draw this shape here. It's the same, but upside down. Alright. Okay, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And here upside down, this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? Let me check. Nope. And the last shape we have here, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Yeah, it's completed. All shapes. All shapes are all completed. Yeah. Maxima 6. We got all those shapes. When you recognize all those shapes, then the next step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. Well, it can't be a 2 anymore. We have a 2 here. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here. So, no 2 here. The only place left for the 2 in this T-shape area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or a 4. That box is also connected with this box, 3 or a 4. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, this box can be a 2, So the 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as appear. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. This box is also connected with that box, so 2 or a 3. Okay, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes. So round the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 4. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be so 3 is connected with this box with is also 3. So 1 digit left. Oh, yeah, 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for number 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes, so round the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These are 3 boxes, so round the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this S construction should be here. Well, for the 5, we need a 4 here. 4. These 2, oh no. Well, this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, we have a double 2 there. 2 missing numbers in this S construction for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there, and a 5 goes here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be a 4. Oh no, we already have a 4 here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. We have a double 2 there, that means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so there's not a solution. Place the 2 there, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, not the... Yeah, let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. So it's a 2 stars, and all shapes are completed. All shapes are completed. Oh yeah. All shapes. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. Yeah, you can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. Tomorrow on Friday we have new puzzles, but it's the first Friday of the month, so we will have a speed test. See you then. Bye bye for now.